come in here and have fun. I like to win, but if I don't, it's a great experience just competing. Some things I've competed in that I've never done before. So it was a great pleasure just to compete. Well, win or lose, I'm having fun.
My name is Jordan Harrington. I'm a DCVA recreation therapist, and this is my father, Kirk Harrington, who is a Savannah, Georgia veteran, first timer at the National Veterans School.
First time. Thank you very much for having me, and I'm enjoying myself with other veterans. Thank you. And with my daughter is a special. Thank you so very much.
It is an awesome thing to come and be a part. Veterans, I encourage you all to come and be a part because it's something very unique and special. We're in the Olympics every year. Come and be a part. All right.